Good morning, everybody. Looks like fucking futures didn't slip an inch, boys. In fact, they made higher highs. At least the Nasdaq made higher highs. Kind of remarkable, honestly, because we had big gap ups in stocks. Big. I'm talking. I'm talking $30 gap up in, well, 20 in Amazon. That's remarkable. Now, if this isn't exactly what the doctor ordered, we would have failed, and stocks would have been in serious trouble, guys. Serious fucking trouble. We would have failed, big time. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, man. This level of cheesery is just outstanding. I haven't seen anything like it ever. And I guess the more aware and awake I am, it's just the more obvious it is. And like, you know, I don't think it can get any more obvious than this. What a perfect time to release the fucking Chinese news. After this drop, and we were about to tank fucking support. We were about to tank my trend line here, and absolutely go into no man's land. But what do we do? What do we do? No, we just fucking Z is sucking Trump's dick. Fucking stocks jump 100 points. I don't even know what the direction is gonna look like for the day. We're opening at resistance, so we should fail. But at the same time, this is an opportunity where the indicators and the stock, or the candles can just charge up. And look at here, we're pretty much positive. It's like a penis that's so shriveled up that's inside your body. That's what that candle is. And listen, guys, I just wanted to say a couple things. I wanted to say, don't get offended by anything I say. I'm just saying it for entertainment purposes and to make the video making process more enjoyable for me. If I'm making 5 videos a day, I gotta at least enjoy myself while doing so. Okay. I don't know though. I'm still sticking with that. We're gonna come down, but at this bet, it's anyone's fucking guess. You know, And this is exactly why we need to be careful in these markets, because look at these, it's 200 point swings in either way, or 100, or whatever the fucking case is. That's ridiculous. We're stuck in this range here. I'm gonna just put this on this absolutely obliterated. You know what? Well, we need to zoom in, dude. Dude. Okay, guys, let's zoom in. Nice double top action here. Oh, well, there's a doji here. Let's remove it. Actually, sorry. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen today. This isn't good. Let's see where this goes. We're still in a wedge, so it doesn't look like we're gonna fall either. I mean, the CCI is coming down too fast, and the price is staying where it's at. This is kind of looking to me like stocks are going to open up higher, and you know, or I don't know. This doesn't make any sense. They were fucking gonna go down, dude. It was gonna, they were all gonna fucking tank, but hopefully you guys are mostly bears, cause that would be quite the quite the anomaly if I'm saying, yeah, your stock's going down, yeah. It's really, this market is just so overvalued that it needs to come back to reality at ground zero. That's really what I'm looking at. And the U.S. economy is nowhere near what it can be or should be, so it it doesn't deserve the credit that it gets. Well, we're at 6 minutes here. I might as well talk for a little bit longer. We got economic data coming out at 8:30, so you know what? That gives me an excuse to wrap up this video because it takes some time to process and edit it, put it up on YouTube, make a good title. So that's that. We're looking at the futures here, pretty much sideways. We should go down, but the momentum is to the upside. But at the same time, we're already at resistance. I don't know how much more we can go. Shh. And that's that, guys, and that's fucking that. You know, look at this. Look at this. If you can't say that's a perfect timing, they probably called Xi up and been like, "Listen, the stock market's about to tank. You better fucking give that speech, you son of a bitch." Or you know what? He already gave the speech. It was probably pre-recorded, and they probably just fucking played it. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, yeah, okay. Now it looks we're getting this doji here, but still, there we go. Come on, come on. Man, does that mean we're gonna have negative momentum into the open? Oh boy, I hope so. If we do, that's gonna fucking rocket stocks into the fucking dumpsters. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna end it here. Oh, we actually got some economic news. Here we go. Small business optimism is lower than expected. 3 lower than expected. 3.1 lower. Interesting. We're expecting the PPI, the price, uh, I think, nah, this is the core price index, but what's PPI? Price, I'm sorry, guys. Always forget. Producer price index. So I think it should all go up. Wholesale inventory should go up, and the PPI should go up as well, because or that's a good question. What are they saying? They're saying it to be unchanged. Well, if wholesale inventories are up, that means the prices have to come down because they have to sell the shit for a good price to get it, to just take it. So I guess we'd be technically looking for lower numbers, but at the same time, we could be experiencing a small bit of asset commodity inflation, which we're expected a decrease in inventories. So we'll see. We'll see if that holds true. But that's that. Business sentiment's down. The economy's not doing so good, guys. Isn't that something? I never would have thought that. Well, anyway, let me end the video before it gets a little too late. Nothing really happened so far with futures. They just kind of floated along here in Fantasyland. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please comment. As someone commented last night, and I was so happy. I haven't got a chance to respond, but the comment was, this is a little charting crazy. I got one, two, three, four. I got four screens of just all this. And as a day trader, I utilize all the information on the screen all the time. Um, so what I bring to the table when I bring my, the three indices, baby please, we get to look. For instance, they're all on hour charts, but then we get to examine it. Like we get to look and see what went where. What went where, guys? Look at that. The market's holding. Okay, like for instance, we would just see across the board, and he pretty much said that, when you want to use the three, you can, but I think it would just be more convenience for me just to use the three. I mean, I can just make one, you know, but it for me, I kind of like the way the charts look, especially in a smaller um square in Thinkorswim. The longer charts just don't you don't get a good perception of how the candles look. So if enough people complain, ooh, Cenex gap up here. CENX gapping up 1875 to 1933. I don't know what this is going to do. We could have another run up. So guys, that's my pump stock warning expert trader uh, pick right here. It moved yesterday. We're gonna have to see. It could go to 20. That's not really much gain, so. But in this market, you know, all of a sudden you think you're up a couple percent, boom, boom goes the markets. Well, please comment. Please tell me what you guys think. You have any suggestions? Let me know. I'm gonna work with you guys. But right now, I think I like this three chart setup. That way we can compare stocks. And okay, when they aren't exact, when they don't look alike, it's hard to compare them. But that's the point. The point is, we to compare these charts and see what's different. And now I know a lot of people would just pull up one chart, pull up the next chart, pull up the next chart, but I don't know, that takes a long time. That's why I have one, two, three, four, five monitors right here, just so I could have everything out. I don't have to go typing in looking for stuff. And although, yeah, I do end up typing in the dollar or the TNX or VIX or TVIX or /GC or JNUG, or some other stocks to show you guys. It's all it's all in the good fun, and it's what I gotta do. But I think if I could just keep the dynamics the same, then that would be great. Well, we are seeing a little rundown in the price here, so hopefully this negative momentum, will get a lower low and will continue this pattern into morning. You see, we didn't break out on this trend line, and we didn't drop below it, so we're still in this game. We still don't know which way the markets want to go, and that's that. So thank you very much. I'll make a video around 8:30 posting the results for the PPI numbers. PP. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Take care.